Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time the June weekend battle of the MECC Varsity Edition. I recently did the junior varsity level as well as the adult competition and both went quite well. And it's the first time since Benny is not competing in this round, since he's the case author, that I have a chance to win the varsity level. So wish me luck. That I will be fast enough. It will be not a question of who is getting everything right. It will be a question of who is, who will be the fastest. But I still will be using not intermediate calculations from further levels. I will solve all levels in this approach. I think it's simply fair to do it. And I will not use AI, but yeah. So you can also solve this without AI. So let's jump right into it. Faster download, faster download. You see the pressure's on. Okay. Import lambdas. Okay. Create from selection. XLOOKUP. This in scarf code returning city. Okay. 4827. XLOOKUP. This in scarf code returning x coordinate minus this here, and this is basically the same but with the y coordinate and this here, and then sum or square root sum of this to the power of 2 times 100 and rounded. Okay. Check. I think here I will not FVB, yes. Okay, even if it's inefficient. Thank you for this hint. Okay. So I first will travel so haystack both coordinates in, and then I will start from a Vienna code. So check. Sorry. So scarf 1 will be always Vienna. So one of the Vienna scarves. So in this case, scarf 0, so to say. Okay, want to replace this. And then I have here 2 XLOOKUPs. This is oddly kind of hard, so for an MECC level, well, it's not as hard as the adult level of this one. Okay, and then I can track this aside. No rounding first. Okay, good catch. And then I can track this aside. 0, and then it's sum of this plus 45 because of the 3 scarves costing $15 each, and then rounded. No. Oh no. Oh no. Plus 45. Okay, some odd things happening there, but not of interest for us. Okay, 845 should be fine. In between should be fine. Yeah, so this is then scarf 0 Vienna. Okay, for how many given color elements do you need? So it's basically len or text in text, and this is then XLOOKUP of this. In this table, returning the abbreviation. Sorry, I need to switch this lambda sometime. I'm always getting confused. This is 3, yes, 17 and 4. Yeah, should be fine. How many given color elements can be found in the city's scarves? First, we need all the scarves. So filter scarf code if city equals this. And then we basically concat this or use this here. And then instead of concating only those rows, we use this here and here. 6, 6 and 7 in between the hints. Yes. Manufacturing costs. Okay. Create from selection. Yes. Okay. Transpose abbreviation. Context in text. Concat this. This is the word we're searching for. I want to have the columns fixed and here the row fixed. And now we count how often those letters appear. And here we want to have transpose of the cost per element. And then we simply multiply the number of elements with this. We can fix 100%, which is then for the 84, sorry. And this is then equal sum of those numbers plus 600, because we're manufacturing 3 scarves with 200 additional euros to pay extra for manufacturing. Yeah, should be fine. Now traveling or manufacturing. To manufacture all scarves, it will cost this amount. So yeah, these are the manufacturing costs. These are MECC, sum of this plus 600, 802. And to purchase, we travel from Vienna to there. So I basically track this a little bit to the side, and then I track this here one additional step to the side, and then I add their scarf 0, like in this level here. This is harder than expected, so it isn't hard, but the varsity level was like super easy, and yeah. Okay, and then let's hope I have enough space, but should be yes, yes, yes. Okay, and let's copy this then here. And the travel costs are rounded, so it's basically min of the manufacturing costs and round sum of those 3 costs and 15. Oh no, 45, sorry. So 802, 838, 568, 714. Okay, let's check again. This is 233. This will add 45, and we will round it. And here, this is the manufacturing costs, which are also as they should be. Okay, let's go to the bonus questions. There's one city that has more scarves than any other. Which city is it? Please, guys, use group by or most of. Yeah, use my most of lambda. Budapest, like in the old version. Across the given data for all levels, which scarves appears the most times? Need to copy this. Okay. Should only add the code without colors. I hope that they excluding examples here. Better check than not check. Better check than not check. Okay, only cities. Should have done this at first to create a bonus copy, but yeah. Okay, equals most of value in area, max 3 scarves. Hello. This is the code. How many stars within the scarf data have blue as the first color element on the left? Sum minus minus this equals blue 24. Which city has the most red color elements across all scarves? Which city? Okay. Some is this? Oh no, this will only spill one column. Okay, add a column here equals. What was the question? Red. Okay. Equals sum minus minus this equals R 0 and then group by city. These are the values. Sum minus 2. It's Prague. How much would it cost to manufacture all 100 scarves? Level 7 costs. Okay, so simply elements plus 200. So equals xlookup, so equals sum xlookup of this data in here, returning costs per element plus 200, and those are the costs, same as in the junior varsity level. Okay, let's upload. Okay, took us 18 minutes. Could be a small problem, but yeah, let's hope that we're the fastest. So, thank you for your attention, and sorry that I haven't talked that much. Yeah, kind of stressed. I did 4 cases in less than 3 hours, including recording, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for your attention. I hope you did well in this June weekend battle, and I hope to see you in Vegas. Bye.